Stretching the material across the metal frames allows for clarity, ensuring only the highest quality hides continue forward.
The high-pressure water jets ensure a thorough cleaning, rinsing away debris before the hides are moved to the deep washing tanks.
The first step is rehydration. The hides are submerged in large tanks with water and specialized
Okay, bring it over to the trolley now.
Careful, this one is heavy.
Chemical baths balance the pH levels of the leather. Automated systems precisely control the mixtures, and workers verify the readings before the leather moves to dyeing.
Fixatives are applied to lock color into the material. Controlled heat and chemicals ensure permanence.
The vacuum pressure is holding steady at 25.
Good. The moisture levels look consistent across the panel.
Rotating buffers smooth the surface uniformly as fine dust particles drift in the air. The leather advances, creating a flawless finish. In this hyper-organized distribution center, automated guided vehicles ensure flawless inventory management.
Is this pallet ready for the Hong Kong shipment?
Yes, scanned and verified. Load it up.
It is here, where raw hide meets the master craftsman's touch, that true luxury is born.